Hi, I'm Martin Hardy. I am Director of User Experience for Cisco.com, and today we're going to talk about design comics, which are a way to bring your web designs to life as you're thinking them through. We use design comics in two ways at Cisco. One is to show a current state experience and understand what works and doesn't work about it and sort of show how customers and users fit into the mix. Another way is to imagine what your desired state design is and imagine how you want customers to feel as they're using it. So today we're going to take a really simple example, which is ballet tickets, and with me I have a ballet ticket expert, Mary, who is going to pretend that it's the holidays and she wants to go to the Nutcracker. Mary, if you would like to tell me, what's the first thing you would do in looking for these tickets?
I think I'd first go to Google, because I know there's several different companies I might be interested in.
Okay, so we'll do a Google interface, and that's got a little, the little patented search box here and whatever. And then what do you see, what are you typing here?
I think I'd type in Nutcracker and maybe Springfield, because I'm going to be in Springfield.
Okay, Nutcracker, Springfield. And then you get a results list. Anything special about it? We just assume you get the right kind of results here.
Yeah.
And then how are you feeling about this experience at this point?
So far so good. I'm getting some results.
Okay, good. So we'll give you a little bright smiley face here, because this will come in later when we actually put the comic together online. And then, so where do you end up in this experience? Where do you go next?
Well, I've decided to choose the Springfield Ballet, which was one of the first things that came up. And now I'm on their homepage.
Springfield Ballet. Okay, and what do you do there?
Well, I'm going to glance around, and I want to go to the Nutcracker, so I'm going to try to find the Nutcracker.
And do you see that? Because you cheated.
I'm
you have
cheating,
a printout.
and I have a printout. So actually, I do. Actually, no, I'm sorry. On this page, I don't see it, but I do see a thing that says "Buy Tickets."
All right. So, and it's sort of up in the corner too.
It's up in the corner. It's a little bit out of the way. I had to look for it.
Buy tickets. Okay. So you're feeling how?
I'm a little
Still
anxious,
okay,
but I'm still okay.
Maybe a little bit anxious though. And then we'll give you hair later. Okay, so you're going to click on Buy Tickets, and I'm going to grab a red marker here and just indicate the click. And then you're on to, what does the next page look like? What kind of thing do you see then?
I'm seeing some navigation that says that I'm on ticketing information, and I do see the various ballets.
Okay, so we're going to assume there's like a Nutcracker. There's one of the ballets here on this interface, and you probably click on that. And emotionally, so far so good now?
I'm feeling happy right now, because I think I'm where I should be.
Good, excellent. And then what happens?
So now I'm actually on the Springfield Ballet Nutcracker page, and I have options. I can order peak tickets, don't know what that is, off-peak tickets, or suite seats. And I have no idea what suite seats are.
And so you're feeling a little confused?
Confused, definitely.
We're going to give you some confused eyebrows. And maybe a kind of a smirky expression of some sort. And then, so what do you do at that point?
Well, I'm thinking, I know the ballet is very expensive, and off-peak I'm thinking it might not be quite as expensive seats, so I'm going to choose off-peak.
Off-peak, okay. So we're going to click on that. And then what happens?
Now I'm on a page where I have a date. And it's Sunday afternoon, which makes sense off-peak, but...
Is there a little calendar there, or is this a little pull-down?
There's no calendar, it's a pull-down.
Okay.
But the price isn't available.
Okay. No price. Okay. So you have a date, but you're not sure how much this ticket is going to cost yet.
Right.
And what do you think of that?
Well, I'm confused because I'm really not sure what I'm going to do next.
Okay, so here you're very confused, maybe a furrowed brow, and probably not very happy.
Not happy.
So at this point, we could keep storyboarding through this experience, or we could stop, since this is a short video, And if you follow me, I'll show you how we actually put together a comic storyboard online. So I'm back in the office, I've got these notes. I'm going to throw together online really quickly an example comic storyboard in PowerPoint. One thing I did is I went to this website that I actually started called designcomics.org, which has little clip art characters that you can use in PowerPoint, etc. And I downloaded some of these characters, and I'm going to go into PowerPoint and I'm going to include the characters in this story that I'm doing. So I will take a picture of the character, and we'll say this looks just like Mary, who we just met, and give her a note here about I am going to buy some ballet tickets. And then we can say that we've got on this page a screenshot. Let's say this is the screenshot here. We'll put that in later. And then we can include a picture of Mary going to the first screen. And we'll just shrink this down a little bit so that it kind of works as an inset. And we'll pretend maybe this is one of the later screens and she's a little confused. And we'll add this call out to her saying, I'm confused, where is the price? So you can see, even with my bad typing and rushing around and throwing this together very quickly, I'm able to put together a story very quickly online that then I can share around and show people what some of the current state problems are, or inspire them with a new story about the future. And you can see an example of this story actually put together in a full comic on designcomics.org.